welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I'm going to do an eyeshadow tutorial today using this Kaleidos Futurism 5 Electro Turquoise palette. So if you saw my Kaleidos haul last month, you will have seen this palette. So we are doing this green. I think I'm going to throw in some orange. I don't know how I'm going to use the orange yet, but I'm going to try to use as many colors in this palette as I can, and we're going to just go ahead and get into this look. But before we do, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. There aren't any color names in here, so what I'm going to have to do is just kind of point out what I'm going to do. So I think I'm going to try this color here and take that in my crease. I think I'm also going to end up using the brown. Not too sure yet. Of course, I went ahead, prepped my eyes. I have the tape on today because I haven't used the tape in a while. So I wanted to bring back my trusty tape method for this look. Okay, and I think I want this to be a little bit deeper, so I'm actually going to try this darker shade here in my crease over that. Okay, yeah. We can take that lighter shade of green I was originally using to kind of blend that here at the edge. Alright, and I don't think I'm going to take the orange on my lid. I think I'm going to take the orange as on my lower lash line is what I'm going to do. But I am going to use this brown right here and put that on the outer edge and start blending that in. And I am kind of bringing that forward. And now I want to cut my crease. So I have been liking this Beautybay eye base in white. So I'm going to use this and I'll come back once I've cut my crease. Alright, I've cut my crease and now we're back to go ahead and finish up the look. I am going to be taking this sparkly color here. Wish it had a name, but it's like a shimmer shade. Spray it with my Mario Badescu and then place that on my lid. Okay, I think this brush is coming to the end of its life because it's starting to move around. This is a very pretty turquoise. Now I want to take the shade I initially took in my crease, which is this one here, and start packing that on here. Because now I'm going to take my brush again and use the darker turquoise and also the brown to blend it back forward. Okay, and now we're going to take the brown just more towards the outer part and not blend it all the way forward. Okay, just like that. Very pigmented. We're gonna go ahead, get the eyeliner mascara and throw that on my eye, and then I'm going to finish off my face, and then of course come back to finish up my under eye and adding in that pop of orange. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So this is the look so far. The last thing that I need to do is my lower lash line. So before I do, I'll just share in my waterline, I used this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Tutu Turquoise. And then over top of that, I used the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in Teaspoon to kind of mix them and give them that same turquoise look I have going on my eye. For my lips, I used the Jordana Easy Liner in Tawny. I used the LA Girl Lip Mousse Velvet Lip Color in BFF. And then over top of that, I used this Essence Shine Wet Lip Gloss, and this is the color Behind the Scenes. All right, we're gonna go ahead, dip right into this orange and put that just below on our lower lash line to give us that pop of color. And I'm just going to press it in instead of swiping. Alright, and then lastly, I want to take this color here, this silver shimmer shade, and put that on my inner corner. So now I've actually used every single color in here for this look. Once I put this on my inner corner, and let me just spray this brush to make that pop. Alright, I really like that I was able to use every color in this palette for this look today. I like how bold the look came out, this turquoise color with the pop of orange. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried Kaleidos. Make sure you subscribe before you go so you don't miss any future videos. Also, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if you just like the look. Thanks for watching.